एसआयटीन गोयचो आदलो प्रिन्सिपल मायन सेक्रेटरी राजीव यदुवंशीक परत नव्यान समन्स काढला. यदुवंशीक आतां 15 नोव्हेंबराक परत एसआयटी मुखार चवकशेक हजर रावचे पडटले. सुत्रां सांगतात ते प्रमाण शुक्रारा आनी शेनवारा एसआयटीन यदुवंशीची काडणेकार मायनीचे कॉन्डोनेशन ऑफ डिले प्रकरणात चवकशी केल्या. गोयच्या तरणाट्यां मदीं इन्व्हेस्टमेंटाची संवय तयार करूंक नवे मार्ग फाउंडेशनान सुपर यंग अचिवर्स कॉन्क्लेव दवरला. फायनान्शियल लिटरीचो हो कार्यक्रम 12 नोव्हेंबराक रवींद्र भवनात जातलो. भारतात सध्या अर्थीक सुदार चालू आसात आनी विदेशी इन्व्हेस्टमेंट मोठ्या प्रमाणात देशांत येता. मात देशांतल्या लोकांक ताचे कांयच पडिल्लें ना. ही परिस्थिती बदलून तरणाट्यांक अर्थवेवस्थे विशीं जागृत करून तांकां अर्थीक नदरेक सक्षम करपाचो नवे मार्ग फाउंडेशनाचो हेतू. Dr. Celso Fernandesan परिषदेविशीं माहिती दिली.
Now, coming to this program, we have combined it and made it multi-flavored type of a thing, wherein Sir John Silvera, who is the Vice Principal of Damodar College, RMS Damodar College, and who is currently working for the Director of Education as far as loans are concerned, he will be speaking with regards to how to make excellence a habit. He is a national trainer in JCs, and he has been doing these training programs all over India. So he will be doing a program on how to achieve excellence in life, what are the things required for the students to excel in their studies. Then we have this Hitesh Mali, who is coming from Mumbai. Now he is the one who is going to be teaching us as far as what is the economic growth and how people in Gujarat are different from people in Goa, especially the students, wherein the child even in the 6th standard in Gujarat starts investing. Whereas here, when we tell the children about investments, parents say, that is not your cup of tea, you only go and study. Money, you should not bother. Money is not your this, so you should not interfere with money part of it. So that is what happens as far as Goan children, so that Hitesh Mali will cover, and then Sir Ribello, who is the principal of Father Agnel Ashram now, but previously he was the chairman of Goa board. He will share his experiences with his students, how in Father Agnel Ashram we have started this financial literacy classes, wherein the students have started taking a lot of interest based upon the interest given by the principal. So if the principal support, definitely students do it. And if students start investing early, by the time they become graduates, they can be assets to their family.
केंद्र सरकारान कोकण रेल्वेक 25 कोटी सँक्शन केला. हो फंड खंय मडगांव, थी आनी करमळी रेल्वे स्टेशनाचे अपग्रेडेशनाक वापरतले. पॅसेंजरा खातीर गरजेच्यो सुविधा, पार्किंग फॅसिलिटी आनी हेर सुशोभीकरणा खातीर ह्या फंडाचो वापर जातलो म्हूण कोकण रेल्वेचो बबन घाडकेन म्हायती दिल्या.
Ministry of Tourism under the Central Financial Assistance Scheme has sponsored 25 crores to Konkan Railway for the development of infrastructure development of Madgaon, TVM and Karmali stations. And this amount received for Madgaon station is around 13.38 crores. For TVM it's 8.27 crore and Karmali it is 2.37 crores. Konkan Railway is very much thankful to Ministry of Tourism, Government of India for assisting Konkan Railway in redeveloping the infrastructure at these stations. The basic infrastructure improvement what we intend to do under this CFA scheme is that development of passenger amenities, then development of parking space, then surroundings of the station, looks of these 3 stations will be changed drastically. That work we proposed at Karmali station is a bird observatory center which will be taken up at Karmali station. So these bird watchers, they can enjoy the birds visiting Karmali lake. So now the tendering work for this different works at these stations is in process.
Give a break.